Good morning, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Futures are again up pre-market, and there are massive gaps even on futures, and I will show you on daily chart on S&P 500. Let's quickly see that. This is Nasdaq, and if I go to daily chart side by side, let me show you here. NDX getting a 8 count sell signal with multiple daily gaps. This is unbelievable, guys. Like just going parabolic here. So the risk is very elevated, guys. You just have to be very careful in this market because we're getting on daily charts 7 and 8 count sell signal, and also if I show you weekly chart of MNQ, we're getting a 8 count sell signal as well. This is very significant because just as a thought, you can see this time here in December we got 7 and 8 counts. Market went just sideways for like next couple of weeks, and then just a big dump from here top to bottom. We got 27% dump here. Also similar story, 7, 8, 9 counts, and then top to bottom we had a dump of about 17%. So just as a caution, you have to be very careful here in this market. Um, it might not see now, but again, this can be happening at any time right now. So you can see right now MNQ features are giving me 9 count sell signals. So we might be very close to the top, at least getting a pullback. And you have to take these signals very seriously because we don't know the percentage move of this pullback. Last time we got this just it was almost 5% this pullback from top to bottom on Nasdaq. So we could get another pullback, and first support is going to be 25,178, and then this one 50 moving average. Okay, so just wanted to share that. And right now we are very overbought on this day trading chart. This is a good time to short, to be honest. S&P 500 also getting the same counts, 9 count sell signal, multiple gaps on futures, and then you can see SPX also two immediate gaps, which is 100% going to be filled, just a matter of time. So just be very careful here. BTC chart here is Bitcoin live, a little bit weaker. BTC CME futures are also a little weak, but this gap which happened on Sunday night, 100% will be filled at 111. So just be careful. This is live market on the right side. You can see getting a 9 count sell signal. So looks like we are getting ready for a pullback, and this could be it, and could be making a low or at least equal low. One thing to note on Bitcoin on daily chart, there are gaps at this, and then if we break this previous 200 SMA, it could go to 97K and 91K. Just be careful, just because it's not going to go straight up, especially when Nasdaq and S&P 500 pulls back. Bitcoin gonna pull back even more. So just be careful there. Okay, so all right, so let's go to daily chart and see how things are going, moving along. VIX is, oh wow, VIX is giving a buy signal, guys. This is very important. You guys need to take this very seriously. VIX is giving a 7 counts buy signal, and every time it does that, you can see last time we got massive pump on the VIX. So we have to be very careful. Just wait and wait on the sideways and see what market is going to be doing. Um, what else is here? Let's keep moving. Um, Commodities, crude oil will come back to fill some of these gaps. You can see USO here. You can see gaps here. This is crude oil ETF. It's coming back to fill this first gap, then it's going to come back to fill this second gap. And that's why I exited crude oil after I got 7 and 8 count SPY signal, because I know this pullback is going to be done soon, and we're going to probably come and make a new low. Gold is going down as well. So gold, I gave a video yesterday on weekly. At minimum we need to touch this green line, then maybe get a bounce and then come back. This area here is a major support, so I think gold is eventually coming back here, this area around 3400 3300 area. Okay, that's where I would probably think of buying it again, but for now I'm just going to let it do its thing. So that's about from where it is right now. about 14% away. Okay, so let it cool down more because it could even come and touch 50 moving average. You can see on weekly, every time there is a pump, it comes back to 50 moving average or even go below that. So these parabolic moves are not sustainable. You can see here, parabolic move, come back, touch 50, and then go sideways. You can see similarly here. So maybe we don't get a bounce until we touch this 50. So we'll keep an eye on this. We covered Bitcoin. Like tech stocks, I don't know what to say, guys. It's everything is pretty much at all-time high, so I'm just gonna pretty much skip it with all the gaps here on Tesla, nvda. You can see so many gaps here. I don't even know what to say. Just the thing is, there's some earnings coming of Microsoft is actually tomorrow. Apple is Thursday. Google is Wednesday. So Wednesday and Thursday is gonna be a great big day. This is Thursday. Amazon, Meta is also on Wednesday. So tomorrow and day after, it's earning day, and we'll see how things going. Everything else, Netflix. I'm waiting for a buy signal. Still don't not getting. So we'll wait for until this indicator gives me 7 or 8 counts. So I will start build my position. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it. CrowdStrike is also crazy, and ServiceNow also earnings when 29th October. Bond market after 9 count sell signal just hanging it here. Natural gas going down, but eventually going to come back to fill this gap. So I think more downside coming. Silver again, like gold, at least I'm looking for at least a touch of, I think it's coming back here, $38, or touch of these red and yellow lines at some point. Copper a little weaker. Again, I'm going to skip this because it's going to do mostly what gold does. And dollar is in the middle. Resistance and support right in the middle, so there's nothing much very weak right now. AMD just new all-time high. I don't know what to say. These stocks are like pumping like anything. You can see Qualcomm is also huge. Shopify also just getting a 8 count sell. So I don't want to participate in any of these stocks. Just wait for a pullback. Like this is unbelievable. Like market is just too overextended without any pullbacks. UNH is pumping almost 4% pre-market after earnings on this 375 gap fill. So eventually that's going on. Uh, ISRG also getting an 8 count sell signal. Oil miners could be a good buy. We'll see if it pulls back hard. If not, then let it do its thing. And CP rail was also something good. Maybe gonna go a little lower and then you can buy it. So we'll keep an eye on all the indices. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you want to know more about the indicator I'm buying and selling and levels for these, subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description. There's a bottom left join button. When you join, let me know your user ID so I can move you to members section where I share levels for every stock. So for example, Tesla, it was very close to buy zone on last Friday and then look, it went to sell zone. So it's like very easy to trade things like that. And it's going to be very profitable. So and if you just want to join free channel, I share Bitcoin levels for free there. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye.